I'm just going to show you how I marinate these portobello mushrooms for our burgers tonight. I have a bag of tamari and seasonings, and then I will wash the mushrooms and just put them in the bag for an hour or two until dinner time. So here I have the portobello mushrooms, and I'm going to just put the ingredients all in the baggie there and let them just marinate. I'll show you that in a minute. Got garlic, onion, and some smoked paprika, a little bit of liquid smoke and pepper. That's all going to go in the bag and just let them marinate for a while. First I'll just put some seasoning on them. I don't always do this like this. Sometimes I'll just do it in the bag, but I'm using a fresh bag today. After I do marinate them, I will save the bag, and then what I'll do, I'll just put it into the freezer to just save it for next time. I don't like to use the plastic too much, but I do reuse lots of my bags that I do have. So seasoning them up, then I'll flip them over and do the other side. A little smoked paprika. I did find that I used to take the stem and the brown shell out there, but you know what? They taste really good if you just leave it in. I don't think you really need to take that out, and then you're just kind of wasting it anyway. So we like to eat it with it. Doesn't seem to matter. It tastes delicious. So I just put a little seasoning on. There we go. I will put them in the baggie here. I'll put them top side down, and then I will sprinkle the tamari. And if you do it on a paper towel, it's nice and easy cleanup. There we go. Some tamari. Just coat them a little bit. And then I'll flip it over. Another little coat. And there you have it. Oh, and a little bit of the smoked with smoke. I'm just going to drop it. Actually, just sprinkle it over. It's pretty strong, so you don't need much of that if you do use it. I don't know how good that is for you, but we use it once in a while. So there you have it, the portobello mushrooms ready to marinate away. I just kind of flip them a little bit, get that liquid smoke mixed around too in the tamari. And then I'll just let them sit on my counter for until you're ready to eat. Probably will be a couple hours for us, so they'll be nice and ready when we are. There we go.